Hi guys, this is Sharon from Lovely Luxe, and we're going to go 0 to 100. As you can see, I have my glasses on, my hair is not done, so we are going to do those things. First I'm going to put my contacts in and I'll be right back. We're going to get straight into this because it's going to be a fast one and I'm not going to be talking, so grab your snacks, grab your tea, grab your whiskey, whatever it is you want to drink, and just chill out and watch me get ready because I've got Holly and Christian's wedding today and I need to get through this quickly. So I'm going to put my contacts in.
A few moments later.
Now that I put my contacts in, just to let you guys know what I use my Dove Summer Glow Gradual Self Body Lotion, and this is the medium to dark skin. Pretty much one application of this and I'm exactly the color I want to be. I double up on my legs, so I've already done that. I did that the night before so that I'm all nice and fresh today. I've already had a shower and I've lightened my teeth, so I've been whitening them. So I've still got a little way to go with those, but for this wedding these will be white enough for now. The plan is I'm going to put on my Glam Glow. This is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. I'm going to put that on. While I'm doing that, I'm going to do my hair, and then straight after all of that I'm going to peel off this mask and get stuck into the makeup, and I'm not going to be talking through this video, so I will see you guys at the end.
And a few minutes later.
So I'm wearing this stunning dress from Wheels and Doll Baby. I'm about to tape this up so this doesn't move. And it's absolutely stunning. And I've got just a little clutch and some Louboutins. And I chose to forego lashes because I really just couldn't be bothered. They weren't sticking. I think my glue is too old. So I've just forgone those and just amped up the lashes with the mascara. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. They're all Love Lady Luxe. So I'm going to go off to the wedding now and I'm going to have a really good time. Congratulations Holly and Christian. Finally here. I can't wait to see what your future brings for you guys. So all the best for the future and I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me going 0 to 100 for a wedding. This was Love Lady Luxe and I will see you next time.